the first thing that I want to purchase, just to you know, get used to the video, is a Sindhi hat. I see some behind me, but there weren't very many options. Hello. I'm fine. How are you? You're doing well? I would like to buy a Sindhi hat. He is the man? Okay, we will go this way. Markets, you gotta love them, don't you? Assalamu alaikum. You have a Sindhi hat?
Yeah, sit.
Alright, he's going into the walls. You got a lot of stuff here, bro.
Which kind Sindhi hat? Normal price or high price?
Well, what are your prices? What is this one?
It's 400.
400 rupees. Alright, you have a mirror that I can look in?
Yes.
Maybe a bigger one.
Size I give you big size.
I think bigger. You have bigger? I have a big head. I tried a few on yesterday and they fit pretty good. But I wanted to make a full video on this experience, see what it's like. Oh, they also have the I'm not sure what they're actually called, but they're from Peshawar. What is the name of this one?
Patani.
And that is the Pashtun people, correct? It is from Peshawar? Ah, okay. Here is the bigger size. Oh, that is nice. That fits well. You have different colors maybe? So this is a good size. Are we fitting in like a local guy?
They have different colors.
They are all the colors you have?
Yeah.
Alright. I like this one, I think. Alright.
I do big size, but no bigger.
No, this is a good size. Yeah, I think that is good. Do I look good?
Really good.
What do we think? This one or the red one? I think this one is better. What was the price? Can I repair?
7.
7? You said 4 before.
5 I say small size.
Wow.
This 500. Now this is double size. This
Double size? I don't think it's double. It's not that much bigger.
You see. It's all handwork. See the size difference.
Oh. What is your best price?
650.
650 rupees. I think you can do better than that.
Really 700, but I give you 650. Make you happy.
Make me happy. Well, if you want to make me happy, 600 rupees, fine. Okay.
Anything else?
No, thank you. Just the Sindhi hat. Sindhi hat is complete. We'll put that on. All right, we're looking good. Do I look good, bro? I look good? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right, item number 1 has been completed.